What is the best way to stick Christmas lights to brick surfaces?
Hello there, holiday enthusiasts. In today's video, we're tackling a common holiday decoration conundrum: how to stick Christmas lights to brick surfaces. Brick might seem a challenging surface, but don't worry, we have some effective solutions for you. Let's get into it.
Why is hanging lights on brick tricky?
Firstly, let's talk about why hanging lights on brick can be a bit tricky. Brick is a tough, uneven surface which doesn't hold adhesives as well as smoother surfaces. It also can be damaged by drilling or hammering. But worry not, we've found solutions that minimize damage and maximize the festive vibes.
What do you need?
Here's what you'll need. 1. Christmas lights of your choice. 2. Brick clips or clips specifically designed for outdoor use. 3. Measuring tape to help ensure your lights hang evenly. 4. A stepladder for reaching high places.
How to use brick clips.
Now onto the main event, using brick clips. These are simple, effective tools designed to grip onto the edges of a brick without causing any damage. 1. Measure your brick's height and purchase suitable clips. Brick clips come in various sizes, so ensure they're suitable for your specific bricks. 2. Attach the brick clip. Position your brick clip at the top or bottom of the brick, wherever you want your lights to hang, and simply push it until it clips on the edge. 3. Thread the Christmas lights through the clip. Most brick clips have a hook or loop where you can easily thread the wire of your lights. 4. Check the light string is secure. Give the wire a gentle tug to make sure it's secure in the brick clip.
Are there any alternatives?
If you can't get hold of brick clips, another option is to use hot glue. This method is less recommended as it can leave residue, but it is an option. Apply a dollop of hot glue on the brick, then quickly and carefully press the wire of the Christmas light into the glue. Hold it in place until the glue cools down and hardens. Keep in mind that you'll need to remove the glue after the holidays, which can be a bit of a task. And there you have it. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can create a stunning display of Christmas lights on any brick surface. Remember, the key is to use tools that don't damage your brick while ensuring your lights stay in place. Enjoy your holiday decorating and keep the festive cheer alive. Happy holidays!